Are you aware that you can use Microsoft Excel functions inside Microsoft Word? Follow this tutorial to understand how you can easily do that. The first thing you need to do is to open Microsoft Word and open a document of your preference. I would go ahead and rename this particular document and press enter on my keyboard. After renaming my document, I'll open a new page and then navigate my mouse to insert. And then over here beneath the table, click on this drop down and select Excel spreadsheet. So you click on Excel spreadsheet. After selecting Excel spreadsheet, you have Microsoft Excel inside Microsoft Word. I'll just go ahead and input some data so that you see how this works out. Alphabet, then we have numbers. Then you double click this to space it out. So this is just a random data, okay? Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so you can select this. Let me go ahead and reselect this. Then bolding it. So let's use this to increase the font size a bit. Double click this to give it some space. Double click to give it some space. Now that I have this, we can perform some calculations. I'll go ahead and sum up all these numbers. In order to start a formula, you make sure that you press the equal sign on your keyboard and then you start by typing S. So I want to use the sum formula. So I'll just say sum, hold shift to select the other ones. You hold shift and then you select the other ones. When you're done, you press enter on your keyboard and you have your value. We can also illustrate the count formula. So we just go ahead and say count. Make sure to bring the equal sign first and then go ahead and select it. Hit enter on your keyboard and you have the value over here. One good thing about this new feature is that you can use Microsoft Excel inside Microsoft Word, and all the changes that you made inside your workbook will be replicated inside Microsoft Word for you. You can go ahead and rename this by just left clicking, rename, then you give it a name. So my file, press enter. You can go ahead and format your data. So over here, you can have some fill colors, say purple. I can change the text color to white. Let's go with white. After you are done working on your Microsoft Excel file, you just go ahead and close it from this option, and then you have it inserted inside Microsoft Word for you. Don't sleep on this feature, okay? Use it, and then if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and I would respond to them. I'll see you in the next video.